Okay, ngayon naman mga boss, dumako naman tayo kay Carla Paderna. Good morning, Carla.
Good morning, Jules. Ngayon naman kasama natin ang isa pa sa mga sponsors ni Dayan, ang Gold Life. Kasama ko this morning si Miss May. Good morning, Miss May.
Carla. Hi, Carla. Good morning po.
Ayan, Miss May, siguro tell us something about Gold Life.
Yes, I'm very excited to say that Gold Life is the new trending, or this is the trending MLM company in the country today. We offer unique opportunity for those who seek extra income, of course supported by high-quality products yan.
High-quality products. Ano-ano po ba yung mga produkto ninyo?
Naku, sobrang dami, pero i-mention ko na lang, first of course, yung product na ini-endorse ni Dayan, which is this one. This is Gluta-Pearl, and one of our flagship product now is Chlorevita.
Ayan, ako kaya naman pala napaka-flawless, napaka-radiant at napaka-puti ng ating kasamahan dito na si Dayan because of Gold Life. So saan po ba namin mabibili itong glutathione nito para makuha namin yung skin? Napakagandang kutis ni Dayan.
Actually, ang Gold Life is now being sold in 4 branches nationwide but through our independent distributorship. So, kindly check our website. It's www.goldlifeinc.net. Call our trunk line for 100-100 and you can visit the branches in Cebu, CDO, Davao, and of course in Metro Manila.
Ayan, siguro before po tayo magtapos sa ating chikahan, siguro po greet po natin si Dayan ng happy birthday.
Dayan, happy birthday from Gold Life, from Miss Mars and Dick Balahaja. We support you all the way. Good luck sa career mo.
Ayan, syempre mga boss, again, happy birthday, Dayan. Pero syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang pag-celebrate namin ng birthday ni Dayan sa pagbabalik ng Good Morning Boss.